Welcome to Peanut Quiz Trivia. Ready to test your brain with some fun GK quiz? Let's go. Which animal laughs when tickled? Rat. What color are the spots on a ladybug? Black. Which fruit keeps doctor away if eaten daily? Apple. Which is the only food that never spoils? Honey. What color is the EX in the FedEx logo? Orange. How many hearts does an octopus have? Three. Which country invented ice cream? China. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Avocado. Which bird deliver babies in fairy tales? Stork. Which animal can sleep up to 3 years? Snail. What is the most common letter in English? E. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn. What color is an emerald? Green. What is the fear of spiders called? Arachnophobia. What sweet treat do bees make? Honey. Which Disney movie features a talking snowman? Frozen. What do cows drink? Water. What is the most popular color of M&M candy? Red. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? Lizard. How many legs does a lobster have? Ten. Which sport uses a shuttlecock? Badminton. What is the main ingredient in chocolate? Cocoa. Which cartoon character lives in a pineapple? SpongeBob. What is the name of the toy cowboy in the Toy Story? Woody. What is the largest internal organ in human body? Liver. What is the group of lions called? Right. Which insects produce silk? Silkworm. What shape is a stop sign? Octagon. Which is the smallest bone in human body? Which soft drink was invented in 1892? Coca-Cola. How many colors are there on Olympic rings? 5. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. Which vegetable makes you cry when cut? Onion. Which animal is known for changing color? Chameleon. Which superhero wears an iron suit? Iron Man. Which is the largest animal on earth? Blue whale. How many teeth does an adult normally have? 32. What do pandas mostly eat? Bamboo. Which famous detective lives at 221B Baker Street? Sherlock Holmes. Which instrument has black and white keys? Piano. What planet is known for its ring? Saturn. Which is the fastest aquatic animal? Sailfish. What food does Popeye eats for strength? Spinach. What does USB stands for? Universal Serial Bus. How many bones are babies born with? 270. What type of animal is Nemo? Clownfish. What color are Smurfs? Blue. What kind of celestial body is the sun? Star. Which bird is often associated with peace? Dove. Which board game uses a top hat and top piece? Monopoly. Comment your score below and don't forget to like and subscribe.